is the unboxing of the HTC 8X Windows Phone 8 supplied to me by Vodafone. The link is in the description, go check it out. It's a great phone, not to be missed, probably one of the best Windows phones out there. This is the unboxing. Here's a box. The back of it you have your specs. It's a 1.5 GHz dual core Qualcomm processor, micro SIM, storage 16 GB, RAM 1 GB, 4.3 inch 720p screen, 8 megapixel camera, 1080p recording, etc, etc. That's that. This looks the exact same as the box that comes in the HTC One X and many others. I'll struggle to get off there. There we go. And I've not looked at this yet, so first both. It's in black, and there she is. Beautiful. We'll have a look at her after. Now this has been obviously to someone else's first, so it's obviously a sticker that you get over the screen telling you about the ejector tool. You've got a quick start guide, some sort of serial code, contact us, safety and regulation guide, software license terms, and a warranty statement, which is very thick. Underneath you've got, which hasn't been opened, you've got your charger, the same as the one in the comes with all the latest HTCs. Your headphones, which are again flat cabled. They've not got any sort of cover over the headphone, not Beats, and you've got a little button there, little control for it. And last, you've got your USB cable, same as the ones with all the latest HTCs. So that's it. So look around the phone. On the right side you've got your volume rocker, very thin, your micro SIM tray, and your dedicated camera key. Very rare to get them on phones nowadays. You've got nothing on the left. The top you've got your headphone jack, your secondary microphone, and your lock button. The bottom you've got your charger and another microphone, and on the back you've obviously got your camera, your flash, your HTC, your Beats branding, speakers, and just your usual gumph. So I'm going to start this phone up, and then in the second video I'm going to have the setting up. Hope it's got some charge in it. So I've never used a Windows phone personally before, so this is the first time I'm going to have to look at it. You've got your back button, your home Windows button, and your search. You've got obviously your speaker and your camera just there. So obviously this is Vodafone branded. And there we go, that's the startup screen. And come back in the second video and you'll see how to set this baby up. Thanks, goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe.